Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a folder in iPhone. So if you want to make a folder, you have to click on the specific application which you want to make together in a folder. So I'm clicking on this Genshin Impact, and if you hold on this for 1 or 2 seconds, you can see all application will be shaking like this. Then if you want to add this application to another application to make a folder like Genshin and PUBG Mobile together, just drag down and make it together like this, and you can see here like this. You can see here a folder is created named games, and you can change the name of the folder by clicking on this, and you can write here anything. Okay, so if you click on done, okay, your folder is done here. Okay, so again I'm gonna add next games to this folder, like click and hold this blades game and make this folder again, add it to this folder, and I'm clicking on the home screen or anywhere in the screen and click on done. See, it is on folder. So again I'm showing you another thing like this chat GPT and this Telegram. Just hold and drag down to Telegram, and you can see it will make folder. Just now release it and it will get together and make folder. You can change the folder name also. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a folder in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.